In this video, I will show you how to create the unique wiggly effect on text in Adobe After Effects. I will type the text first and determine the position and size of the text. After the text is created, expand the text layer. Click the Animate icon. Then add Position, Scale, and Rotation. After that, click the icon, Selector, and select Wiggly. I will expand the space between letters first. In Wiggly Selector 1, I change the position value to 12. Scale 115. And rotation 5. The next step is to duplicate the wiggly layer into 3 parts. On Wiggly Text Layer 3, remove the full section. Change the stroke color part if needed. For the stroke thickness, we can adjust the value. In this video, I changed the stroke thickness to 3px. And I will also change the text color on the Wiggly layer. The next step, on the Wiggly 3 layer, add Roughen Edges effect. In the border setting, I change the value to 12. And for complexity, I change it to 8. Open the expression setting in Evolution section. And I will type time *100. And the result will be like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.